Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing another look using the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I really wanted to do just a full-on smoky eye, mainly using this khaki colour here, which I think is the most popular shade from the palette. And because it's quite dark and glam, I've paired it up with a really glossy nude lip. So if you'd like to know how to get this look, then please carry on watching. My eyes are already primed, and the first colour I'm going into is this orangey one here, and I'm going to blend that through the crease. Now using a 217, I'm going into this shade here, and I'm going to blend that through the crease as well, slightly lower down. Like so. I still want to see the difference between the two colours, but I want them to be blended together quite nicely. So now it's time to go into this khaki colour here. Taking a flat shader brush, I'm packing a lot of product onto the brush, and I'm just going to pat it on all over the lid. Keep going back in and just pat it on to darken up that colour. Back in with the 217 and the orange shade. Just blend that out. So it is going to look quite dark, but we're just softening the edges, and once we've got lashes on it will look a lot better. Like so it's sort of blended out better now. So I've just popped some lashes and mascara on as well. These lashes are the Dodo lashes in D115. For the lower lash line, I'm going in with Costa Riche pencil by MAC. Taking the 217 again and going into this orange shade, and I'm just smoking that out underneath. Then going into a smudger brush by Zoeva, I'm taking the khaki shade again, pressing that right against the lash line and blending down. So now that's smoked out, it's looking quite dark and dramatic. I'm popping on some mascara. And so here are the finished eyes. Very dark, very smoky. I think it's the perfect smoky eye for autumn. Right, so that's my second look using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. I will list all products used down below. If you have any video requests, please leave them in the comments, and have a lovely day.